Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple and I'm back with another video. This will be an unboxing. I've been waiting for this in the mail and it's finally come in today, so I thought I'd jump on and show you what I got. So for this year, I decided that I would try out the Spiral Notebook, and I've decided to order Heba's Spiral Notebook. So we'll see how this goes, and I really love her cute tape here. It's all personalized with all the doodles and flowers. That's super cute. Love that. So here's this card. It says, "Great, get excited, happy mail has arrived." So she wrote my name there, and that is super cute. I love that. So yeah, that's so cute. I love that she had a little card there. And here's the package. And it comes like this. It's all wrapped up all cute with her sticker here and some tissue paper. That's really cute. I want to keep this sticker so I can add it on. We always hoard all the stickers, right? So I can put on my project life, right? All the stuffs. So put that there. Keep it. So anyway, it looks like this. It's got the bubble wrap, and decided that I wanted to try this out. So I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and I figured, why not this year? Try a new year, right? A new year, and document my year. And this Spiral Notebook, I believe it's like about a 2-inch ring there. Talk about my stories, and it has her name at the back there. Super cute. So I will be using this for my project live. So I'm anxious to try. Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse at what this looked like. So for my project live for 2025, I plan on documenting in this Spiral Notebook. So it has like an intro page. And what I love about this is that it gives you kind of like a design already for you, to put like cards here, a picture there. There's like different formats. It kind of gives you kind of like a layout, so you don't have to think so hard about putting in your stories. And what I love about this is that your cards fit in there perfectly, and your pictures as well. So there's like different layouts here. Here's a 4x6, 2 3x4s. Here's a couple of 3x4s here, and then a small little, it looks like a 2x3 there. So I thought, I have tons of stamps and I don't feel like I use them as much. So I think this is gonna encourage me to use my stamps and stickers and anything that I've been hoarding in my stash. I'll be able to use for this. So it just kind of repeats itself, the design, and I don't have to follow. I mean, if I want to change it up and add little things here and there, I can. So I like the flexibility of doing my own thing as well. So I'm going to try this out and see if this works out for me. If this doesn't work out for me, then I'll probably just go back to a regular 9x12 album. But I thought, new year, I'm going to try to do something different this year. So I'm super happy, excited to try this out. The paper's really nice, so I don't feel like this is going to be any bleeding with the stamping. And so, yeah, I'm excited to start this, guys. So I am behind. I think we're already on week 3. So, yeah, I'll be anxiously filming my intro, week 1, week 2, and then week 3. So I'll have to catch up, but I'm excited to do so. So hopefully, if you guys want to venture out with me on this little journey, I'll go ahead and leave Heba's shop in the description so that you can take a look and order your own. She has different notebook covers to choose from. So yeah, I'm so anxious to start this. So that'll be all for this video, but stay tuned for another video where you'll see me do my entries. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.